Hello friends, I am Bhujbal Pratiksha. So today I am going to talk about a respiratory system. So the respiratory system is a complex biological system responsible for the exchange of gases, primarily oxygen uh, and carbon dioxide between the body and external environment. Then this system facilitates the process of respiration, which is essential for our survival for most of the animals including humans. Then there are some key components of respiratory system, which includes the respiratory tract, lungs and associated other structure. Now we see a detailed structure of respiratory system. In that, first one is the nasal cavity and pharynx. So the respiratory process begins with the inhalation of air through the nose or mouth. Then the nasal cavity air is filtered and humidified and warmed by the mucous membrane and thin layer like structure called as a cilia. Then the pharynx, also called as a throat, is a common pathway for both air and food. Then second is the larynx. So larynx is the larynx, commonly known as the voice box, which is located at the top of the trachea. Then it contains the vocal cords, which vibrates a passage through producing a sound. Then third one is the trachea, which is also called as a windpipe. So the trachea is a tubular structure made up of cartilage rings cartilage rings that connects the larynx to bronchi. Then it serves as a rigid airway and it preventing collapse during the inhalation. Then fourth one is the bronchial tree. So the trachea branches into two bronchi, one entering each lung. Then the bronchi further divided into a smaller bronchioles, forming a tree-like structure within the lungs. Then fifth one is the lungs. So the lungs are the primary organ of respiratory system and is located in the chest cavity. Then the right lungs has 3 lobes, while the left lungs has 2 lobes, which accommodate the heart. Then outer surface of the lungs is covered by a double layered membrane called as a pleura. Then sixth is the alveoli. So at the end of bronchioles there are tiny air sacs called as a alveoli. So alveoli are the site of gas which exchange a gas between the respiratory and circulatory system. Then oxygen inhaled air diffuses across the alveolar membrane into the bloodstream. Then seventh is the pulmonary circulation. So pulmonary arteries carry a deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs, and in the lungs carbon dioxide is expelled and oxygen is absorbed by the blood. Then eighth important is the diaphragm. So diaphragm is a dome shaped muscle below the lungs that play a crucial role in breathing. Then when the diaphragm is contracts and the intercostal muscles between the ribs expand, the thoracic cavity enlarge and creating a vacuum that draws a air into the lungs, that is during the inhalation, and the relaxation of this muscle causes exhalation. Then ninth is the control of breathing. The respiratory system is regulated by the autonomic nervous system and primarily through the medulla oblongata in the brain, and the sensors in the body monitored oxygen and carbon dioxide levels, which adjusting the breathing and the depth to maintain a proper blood gas contraction. That's all about. Thank you.